Hello, this is Mike with Clark County Plumbing. We are at job site address 418 Pioneer Street in Ridgefield. We gained access through the right-hand toilet flange. This is a post-video inspection after a drain clean. We've pushed out to the main in the alley that we located, which is approximately about 6.5 feet deep. Right now it looks like we're in either 8-inch or 10-inch concrete. We're going to pull backwards, so this will be a backwards inspection. Right here is where the blockage was. There's a minor offset here that appears to be what was catching waste, and you can see a little bit still hanging down from the top. It doesn't appear to be a root. Hard to tell. It looks like hair. Hard to tell what that is, but you can see there's a offset. There's separation, and you can that black is where the pipe is actually separated. This one is a minor offset as well. This is located under the building next door. We weren't able to get inside to locate this, but we located it is approximately 16 feet in from the air conditioning unit between the two buildings. Here's a minor belly here that runs for about 3 feet, which is about the normal size of a section of concrete pipe. And here's a minor obstruction here at approximately 28 feet. This is located in the flower bed where the city guys had previously marked. Pretty good offset is here that you can see that's catching toilet paper. Here's a looks like a 2-inch tie-in coming in the top. Don't know if this is from an upstairs sink or what this tie-in is here. And here we are back to the toilet flange, so this completes our inspection.